It all starts here, in a place that has no borders, where creativity goes unbound. Albert Einstein once said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." It's in the way we think that in order to innovate, we need to better understand that which exists, the way it works. It's all so fascinating, stretching the boundaries of our knowledge, feeling so small in the face of something so grand and pure. To break through preconceptions and take those first steps where no man has gone before. And the more we learn, the sharper our observation becomes. The conclusions are simple. Nature is perfect just the way it is. In order to better adapt, we don't need to change nature, we just need to make more room for it. Then draw ahead to our advantage and let nature take its course. We are proud to introduce you to our V concept based on natural design. Ingenuity that leaves more bone volume, more soft tissue volume, more room for nature. Because in a place that has no borders, creativity goes unbound.